Welcome to class 10th. This is Rakesh Kumar from Rawal Public School. Today we shall discuss about the chapter electricity, in which series and parallel circuit topic is there, and it is very important topic. So we shall discuss about it. Series circuit. Series circuit means it has only one path through which electricity can flow, in which all the devices are connected one end to other end through a wire. This diagram shows the picture of series combination, and here are the some fancy designing lights. These all are bulbs are connected, LED are connected through a single wire, and these are connected in a series circuit. Current and resistance in the series circuit. Series circuit, same current flows through all over the circuit, and in which all the current is calculated and all the resistances are directly calculated. So total resistance is the resistance of first and the resistance of second and so on. So there are the different types of resistances which can be connected one end to other end. So total resistance we can calculate R1 plus R2 R3 and so on. And the voltage, Ohm's law calculate the voltage V is equal to IR. So voltage can be calculated, which is equal to the sum of V1 plus V2 and V is the total voltage. But in this case, the series combination, the voltage is different according to each resistance, according to each device. Parallel circuit, which is generally preferred in our homes, in which all the resistances are connected in parallel. And in parallel circuit you can see the pictures. These are connected in a parallel way. Current in a parallel circuit. So current, it can be changed because there are the different types of devices are connected in our homes according to their different capacity. So different types of current flows, but voltage remains same, that is 220 volt in our domestic circuits. And the resistance in parallel circuits, by using the Ohm's law we can calculate. In case of series combination, it is calculated by R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on. But in case of parallel combination, it can be calculated by 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So in this way we can calculate the resistance in parallel circuits. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep smiling. I hope you have understood about these series and parallel combinations.